So for the first method, once we're on Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right and then head over to extensions and then click on manage extensions. Once we're on it, we want to remove any weird or spammy extensions that have been installed into Google Chrome. To do that, just head over to the extension that you want to remove and click on remove. For the next method, we're going to click on the three dots again, then we're going to head over to settings. Once we're on settings, we're going to click on system, and then you want to make sure that use hardware acceleration when available is turned on. Once it's enabled, you want to head over to reset settings, and then click on restore settings to their original defaults. This will not clear your history or anything else, it will just reset Chrome for you. So click on reset settings. If Chrome is still not working, then the problem may be with your computer. So we're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Once we're on it, we're going to run these 5 commands, which will also be in the description below. So first we're going to be doing this one. Just going to copy and paste it. I'm going to enter it right here, and then click on enter. Now we're going to do the second one. And you just want to complete all of them. If it tells you to restart the computer after completing the commands, don't restart it yet. Complete all the methods in this video first and then restart it. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in clean mgr and click on enter. Once we're on it, we're going to clean all of our drives. So first I'm going to start with my C drive. I'm going to click on OK. And then I'm going to make sure that everything here is highlighted. And then click on clean up system files. And then select the same drive. I'm clicking OK. Once that's done, make sure that everything is selected again and click on OK again. And click on delete files. You want to repeat that method for all of your drives. For the last method, we're going to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to head over to startup apps. And then you want to disable all of the apps so you don't want running when your computer starts up. For example, I don't want Logitech G Hub to run when my computer loads up. So I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. Do that for all the apps that you don't want your computer to load up when it first starts. After you complete all these methods, then you should restart your computer and it should be good.